Hello my alien students, welcome back. Hope everyone is doing well as usual, isn't it? Yeah. Okay, today actually this is kind of a trailer class, or I would say a kind of feedback class. Okay, I'm planning to do one course. Yeah, planning to do one course on Revit electrical. Okay, this complete project. Okay. Yeah. So if you're interested in joining this course, let me know. That would be a better way to tell it, isn't it? Yeah, let me know. Send me a chat or send me a share. I want to get at least, let's say, a minimum of 50 students who would like to join this course, and I will make this course for everyone. Okay. Generally, this is a course which I train or give it for my Revit MEP students. Okay, but this course I thought let me make it just specialized for electrical students, because sometimes some students are only electrical, isn't it? For example, let's say this. Okay, how do we connect the electrical to the panel? Okay, this course I'm planning to do it. Okay, if you're interested to enroll, let me know, or message me, email me, or whatever. Okay, so this is the story of the trailer of this class today. Okay, all these panel boards and whatever. Okay, how to do connection, conduits. We'll learn a lot of things in this, step by step, creating schedules. Okay, and writing schedule. Okay, we learn step by step panel schedule. Okay, how to balance it. Okay, so if you're interested in learning this course or enrolling in this course, let me know, and we can start from there. Okay, yeah, it will be an online course, and we start from there. Yeah, beautiful. We're going to start step by step, slowly. Yeah, most probably. Yeah, I think that would be better. It would be a better way to move forward in this scenario, isn't it? Okay, most probably I will be starting, let's say, giving you a trailer of this, let's say, first class on YouTube, and based on that, we can move forward from there. Okay, I'll be teaching you step by step. Like, we will be starting from linking the architectural file. Okay, and then I'll show you how to place the electrical, or say, lighting devices, lighting fixtures. From there we will be placing the switches. Where is the power? 1 minute. Okay, switches, receptacles, and then we connect them to the panel. Okay, we will load them, and then to the main distribution panel, transformer. Okay, and yeah, we will learn how. I will be teaching you how to do it step by step. I think this is the best way to go forward. Mechanical, yeah, and how do we connect all the? You will learn how to do that. Okay, so I hope everybody. It's kind of a trailer class, I would say, trailer of the movie. Okay, I think we can do is 1 minute. We'll go to the 3D view. Oops. Okay, and then you learn a lot of tricks in this, because I believe if you can, in my opinion, if you do a project, you will learn more, isn't it? Then I teach you. Yeah, it's different. This is the way, different way of looking at things. 1 minute, section, and says, sorry. Okay, this was the staircase. Okay, section box. Oops, I think I did not. This is better, isn't it? We'll learn step by step how to place these panels, how to provide conduit connection. We'll also learn how to put those cable trays. You learn a lot of things. I think this is a beautiful electrical course. I'm planning to start it online for this in this case. Okay, if you're interested, let me know. And I think this is it for today's class, and I just wanted to convey a message here. Okay, I think on the last class I was talking about hosted, non-hosted. Okay, I want you to tell me, is this electrical fixture hosted or non-hosted? Okay, is it going to be easy? If you get any doubts or something, look at the video which I posted, I think yesterday or something. Okay, I think that's it for today, and I look forward to seeing you all in the class for the electrical course, and that's it. Okay.